Hello children, I am your teacher Vaishali and today I am going to teach you to make a beautiful paper flower. So let's get started. To make this paper flower, we need some colored sheets, a scissor and some Fevikwik, Fevistick or gum. First, we will take the green colored paper and cut it to make the stem. We will fold it lengthwise about 1/3 of the sheet to be folded lengthwise and cut it. For making the flower, I am folding the blue colored sheet 1/3 and I will cut this 1/3 part too. So children, for the stem, I have a thin strip of paper and to make the flower, I have the 2/3 sheet of paper. For the stem, start rolling the paper from one tip upwards and make a stick kind of thing which will be the stem of the flower. At the end of the paper, we will apply some glue and paste it. Now our stem is ready. For the flower, fold the sheet into half, press it nicely, and now from the folded side, we will start tearing it a little till the end. You could also fold the paper from the open end to make a marking till where you would like to tear the page. I will now start tearing the paper from the folded side till the marking. You may not get even paper tearing effect, which is absolutely okay because we are tearing it with our fingers and not cutting it with the scissor. Use of scissor may not be right at your age now. So tear the paper carefully till the marking. This is how the paper tearing would look at this stage. We will now open this fold and turn it the other way round. Now this was the place from where we had folded the paper and started to tear it. We will now paste the two ends of the paper together. We will apply glue on this side and paste this side of the paper with it. Paste the paper carefully, edge to edge, and press it gently to remove all bubbles. Now we will take our stem, apply a little glue on one side of this torn paper. Keep the stem here and start rolling the paper around. Keep applying glue as you keep rolling the paper around the stem. Once you are done, just press the end part tightly. And there, your paper flower is ready. Here, you can make bright flowers for your house and decorate them in a flower vase. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you, children.